Okay, I'm back. What a morning. But if you're watching these, thank you. I apologize or thanks for having the patience with me this morning. A little bit of it. But the first take is I made the hot chicken Nashville chicken strips. It's really easy. Just cut up your chicken or tofu or zucchini or whatever it is. If you don't do egg, you can do any format, maybe Greek yogurt or anything like that. Get it wet and then dip into the Nashville seasonings. I oil the cooling rack and then you oil after you've done it all and then put it in the oven for about 18 minutes for the chicken at 400. Probably adjust based on whatever it is you're cooking with. Next, we did the pie. So I did the easiest pie. This is where I made the disaster this morning. Super simple. I used the food processor. Hi, Lindsay. Super simple to do. It's the food processor, a cup of the mix, a quarter cup of butter, cold, blend. Depending on humidity, you add in water till you get it to it turns into a ball. I did not need water. It's pretty humid here. And then you mix it all, like you knead it all back together with the rest of the mix. Put it in the fridge for 20 minutes, and then you can roll it out into the shape you want. I'm not a pretty person, as you can know about me. So I've just put it into our round cake pan here, which is not available anymore. But you could use anything you have. And then I just have a bit of crust up the sides or edges. And then I have blueberry, which I'm not touching. Blueberries that I had already cooked up and mixed and then froze into our freezer cubes. And then just defrosted one freezer cube. I'll put that in there. And then we'll have a very simple blueberry pie that's topless. I won't put anything on the top. It'll just be the bottom. This is now our biscuits. So I did the same thing. I tried the food processor with the biscuits. It worked pretty well. Less of me having to knead and everything. And then I have that set aside and it's ready to go. So what I'm doing now is going to put in pizza. And I don't know, kind of make a sausage pizza flatbread. Yeah. Anyway, I made little tiny sausage meatballs, just some regular Italian sausage. I added in 2 tablespoons of the pizza dip mix, so our new dip mix. Put that inside, and then put it into this rectangular steamer 4 minutes, which is probably, I'd say, about a minute too long. But you can make your own little tiny meatballs. Now here's where you could have some fun. You could totally put some tomato if you wanted. If you're a tomato person, I am not. Might be a few too many. And I'm just going to squish in the sausage pieces. This probably doesn't need any more, but why not? And then I'm going to use more of the pizza dip with a bit of olive oil and just kind of bread, like dip, whatever you call it, spread it on. That's the word. And then if you wanted, you could put Parmesan cheese or anything like that into it. So I've got the pizza dip seasoning here. My hands are too greasy and wet. All right, just mixing in a bit of olive oil to kind of make it into a paste. And then I'm just going to kind of dribble it on and then kind of just brush it in. I probably should have done this first and then put in the pizza pieces. That would have been smarter. But hey, as I said, today is me trying out new recipes. We're just going to figure out how this goes. We all know when it bakes, it'll just kind of flow out anyway, so I'm not too concerned. I can do what they do in those pizza shows. Dollop. So I'm dolloping it on. All right. I think that's probably good. Make sure my edges get some. And as I said, this is where you could put some Parmesan cheese if you wanted, or I'm trying to think what else you could put on here. Ooh, the cheesy fries might actually work. That might work actually too. Okay, that's it. Doesn't look that. Hi, Mish. Thanks for stopping by. So yeah, so that's it. That's all I'm doing today, or showing you right now. As my previous video where I messed everything up and had a bit of a disaster is that I forgot the stove needed cleaning and turned it on and whatever. Now it's being cleaned, so I gotta wait for that. But everything was prepped, so I just wanted to get it all done and set. So I have the, as I said, the Nashville hot chicken strips all ready to go here. I have obviously my sausage pizza bread ready to go here with the pizza dip seasoning. I've got the pie crust with the blueberries ready to go. So once the stove is cleaned and ready to go, I will just slowly add each one in. And then we will have chicken for the week for salads. The pie's probably for tonight. And the pizza, well, this is for me, so I'm probably going to chop it up and probably freeze a bit of it, but otherwise it's for my lunches as well, or snacks or something like that. And yeah, so that's what I did today, even with everything that kind of blew up on me. Hopefully you're having an awesome Sunday. And if you need anything, feel free to reach out if it's meal prepping or planning, or if it's our new season, if you want to give it a try. If you got host credits, hit me up. If you're, if you're ready to grab something, let me know, because I am having my special on until the 25th. So any orders that go in until the 25th, a chance to win a prize. And what else? Cool things are coming in a few days. There's something awesome coming on the 25th, and also something coming later in the week. So there's a whole bunch of stuff coming. And yeah, that's it. Have a happy Sunday. Thanks for watching me have a disastrous morning in the kitchen. But hey, at least I've got food.